Let's go through the financial math that shows that when there's a tax rate increase, that the drop in after-tax ROI is equal to the pre-tax ROI times the change in the tax rates. Let's work with our expected capital gains tax increase of 15% now, going up to 23.8% in 2013. Let's start by defining a new variable, and we're going to just call it pre-tax ROI. And it's simply capital gains that would be realized with the sale of the stock relative to the cost basis. That's our investment. And for simplicity of algebra, I'm going to call that x, just so we don't have to keep writing this in entire fraction. Okay, what we know is that the ROI after tax at 15% is equal to x times 1 minus the tax rate, which is 15%. That reduces to x times 85%. So that's what we realize in capital gains after tax. Let's now compare that to ROI at 23.8%, the higher tax rate. That equals x times 76.2%. Why? Because, well, 1 minus 23.8% is equal to 76.2%. Okay, now we can work a little bit of easy algebra because we're looking at the difference between these. We're looking at what the drop in the after-tax ROI is going to be. So we can just reformulate it algebraically as x times 85% minus x times 76.2%. We can separate out the x, so that just says it's equal to x times 85% minus 76.2%. Doing the arithmetic, combining these terms, that's simply then 8.8%, which is the difference between 85 and 76.27, which allows us then to just do one simple substitution and we're there. Keeping in mind that we said x equals CG divided by CB, which was our pre-tax ROI, this equation then converts to CB, capital gains, divided by CB, which again is pre-tax ROI, times the change in our tax rates, which in this case is 8.8%. And we're done. So we've got a generalizable model, and it says that all we've got to do is take our pre-tax ROI, multiply it times the change in the tax rates, and we'll know for any composition of capital gains and cost base that's in a current stock's value what the drop in the ROI is going to be given a specific tax rate increase.